Hi children, how are you? I think you all fine and safe at your home, right? I am very happy to see you all in this session. See, today I am going to teach you second standard EVS and the topic is all about food. In the last session we have discussed about some healthy foods and its groups, right? What is food, children? Food is the very important basic need of all the living beings, okay? Then it gives us instant energy and help us to do our work. Okay children, today we are going to see kinds of food. We have two kinds of food. One is vegetarian food and the another one is non-vegetarian food. Now we see about the vegetarian food. What is mean by vegetarian food, children? A person who does not eat meat, fish, egg and food derived from animals, but he eats vegetables, fruits, pulses, milk products, etc. They are called as vegetarian foods. Okay, shall we see some examples of vegetarian foods? Fruits, vegetables, cheese, butter, milk, pulses and cereals. Okay, these are all the examples of vegetarian foods. Okay children, all these vegetarian foods are rich in nutrients, as I told in the last session. Nutrients means what? Utachattukal. All these food items rich in nutrients, so we have to take all these food items in our day-to-day life. Okay, now we see the second type of food. The second type of non-vegetarian food. Okay, what is non-vegetarian food, children? A person, besides eating fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, milk and milk products, he also eats meat, fish, egg, chicken, etc. Okay, he is called non-vegetarian and the food is called non-vegetarian food. Okay children, now we see some examples of non-vegetarian foods. Chicken, fish, meat, eggs, milk products and prawn. These are all the examples of non-vegetarian food. Okay, these foods also rich in many nutrients. So, we have to take all these food items in our daily diet. Okay. Apart from this, we have another one type, children. What do we call the people who do not eat or use animal products? They don't use and they don't eat any animal products. What we call the people, children? Let me tell you. The people who do not eat or use animal products are called vegan. We call them as vegan. V-E-G-A-N, vegan. They don't use animal products. Okay, they also they don't eat animal products. Some examples are honey, milk products and leather. These vegan don't use these products. They don't use the honey, they don't use milk products, they don't use leather bags. Why? Because honey, we get honey from honeycomb. We get milk from cow, goat, etc. Right? Then we get leather from skin of the dead animal. So, they don't use these items. Okay children? The next thing we are going to see is different forms of food. We eat different forms of food, children, either by eating the food as raw and eating the food as cooked. Okay, some food should be cooked before eating, some foods can be eaten as raw. Okay, fruits are eaten as raw, right children? For example, apple, grapes, guava, these are the examples of fruits eaten as raw. Okay, we can eat these fruits as raw. Then we eat some vegetables also raw. Say some examples. Right, we can eat carrot as raw. Okay. Pulses and rice are cooked before eating. We can't eat the pulses and rice without cooking. So we have to cook that before eating. Okay children? Children, there are some other food items like carrot, radish, tomato, lady's finger, which can be eaten both raw as well as cooked. Okay children? It will be very healthy. See, why we need to cook the food children? Do you know that? Yes, we need to cook the food to become delicious. After cooking it will be very soft and it is help us to digest easily. So we are cooking the food before eating it. Okay children? The next one is save food. How we need to save food? See, we are very blessed children. Why? Because we all have a healthy food for 3 meals. But do you know there are many people in the world, they don't even get food for each meal. Okay, they are very poor and then they don't get food for each meal also. So we should never waste the food children. Okay, see, we should never waste the food. Why? Because food is very, very precious. Precious in the sense, food is very precious. Precious means of great value. Precious means great value. Okay. Okay children, eating good food makes us very healthy. Okay, as I told before, eating good food makes us very healthy and it helps us to do our work. It makes us active and strong. Okay, we should eat healthy foods. We should never fill our plates with more food than we eat. Okay, some people used to do like that. They used to fill their plates with more food and then they will get wasted that. So we should never do like that. We have to fill our plates how much we can able to eat. Okay children. The next thing is, we must share our food with people who do not have enough to eat. There are many people in the roadside, they don't have food to eat. So we have to share our food with the people who do not have enough to eat. This is a very, very good habit. Okay, we have to share the food with the people. Okay children. Do you know children, in Delhi there is a food bank organization that distributes food among the poor in the Delhi. Okay, it is a very great thing, right? They started this in June 2012. Okay, they are doing the great thing still now. Do you know children, over 7,000 Indians were die due to hunger every day. Do you know? There are 7,000 Indians were died due to hunger every day. And then over 25 lakh Indians were die due to hunger every year. It is a very great thing. It is not fair, right children? So we should never waste our food. Okay, you should remember this always. At the last thing, we should come to know that we should save food, share food and share joy. Okay children? See, in the below description, we have attached our study material, question bank and self-assessment. For further clarification, you go through it and do it well. Okay children? Thank you.